Hello everyone, this is day 4 of becoming a billionaire, and it's almost it's 2:10 right now, 2:10 a.m. and I'm making this video because at night it's peaceful, it's quiet and it is less distracted. So the flow of thoughts are very easy, and that's why I'm making it right now. Last night I made it due to the birthday party, but then I decided that why not make it at night also. Although I have realized that I have to fix my sleep schedule, I have to make routines to do things in a very compact and flow manner, because I have realized today that lack of routine and discipline is affecting my personal life as well as my professional life, and that is why I have made this decision to make some schedule and routines to do my works in a very certain time limit and manner. And today I did exercise. I did 20 push-ups. Although I made a video in which the mic went off, and so I did 20, and then again I had to reshoot the video, so it totally became 40 push-ups. And I posted the reel on the YouTube and my Instagram. And today I also realized that I need to record my journey in my journal. I have to make few diaries where I make my to-do list and what I felt, what changes I want. So basically journaling my thoughts, because in video I do this, but thoughts come and go so often and so fast, and I must keep track of them all. So it's 2:35 seconds, 2 minutes 35 seconds already. So let's begin. And so I'm going to tell you that I was reading the preface of 48 Laws of Power, and I read this preface in these 4 days. I read the first page only 4 times in these 4 days, because the more I read, the more clarity this preface page provides me. And last night I told you some points, and today I also want to tell you few points, and these are that smile, 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 smile sweetest in a very sweetest way. So I will incorporate this in my video as well in my daily life routine, because I usually keep my face poker. I have a poker face, so I have to make this habit of smiling more. And the other thing is that when someone uses force on you, you should not retreat with force. You should use silent and secret method to affect them, to take your, I would not say revenge, but to take your action where you felt that you were wronged. And the other thing that is there is that don't take direct actions. Be an indirect person to affect the person that you want. I'm not saying this to make you become furious or revengeful of the people, but what I'm saying is that there are ways to do things indirectly, and that would be better rather than doing it directly. So, directly confronting someone might not be very good when we are talking about say certain situations. So, indirect approach is very helpful and usually considered. And the next point that I'm gonna talk about is that while I was reading the book, I came with a very with a very nice idiom, and that is to have iron fist in velvet glove. And it became my favorite because what a line. And so violet wear velvet glove, so iron fist in velvet glove, it means that having a ruthless personality within but showing softness outside. So all the girls, all the women who are watching this video, you should develop this attitude of having iron fist and velvet glove, because that's gonna empower you to another level. And the vocabulary part that I talked about last night was 10 words, so I'm gonna add 10 more words today onto your list. And the first word is paragon of elegance. So paragon is ideal example. Paragon means ideal example, and elegance means the refined quality of having gracefulness and good taste. The second word is stabbed. Stabbed is using something sharp to to attack, to push inside, and it's backstabbing. Most of the time it's a backstabbing. And the third word is this treachery. Treachery is harming someone who trusts you, so this is treachery. And then comes deception. Fourth word is deception. Deception is telling something that is not true. Fifth word is charm. Charm is the quality that makes other please, that makes people feel pleased. So this is charm. The fifth word is I forgot the count, so let's continue with that. And the other word is that dilemma. Dilemma is something where you are provided with two choices and both the choices are bad, so you are very confused about that, and therefore you feel very confused to take which options, because both of them are going to do wrong to you, to harm you. And the other word is, what was the word? And and things like that. So actually I have to look into that. What was the word that yeah, vigilance. So vigilance is where vigilance is a process where you observe, close attention, pay close attention, continuous attention. So that is vigilance. And then there is peculiarly. So peculiarly is something that is very strange and in a very unusual way. And the last word is tactical. Tactical is having a method or calculated mindset approach. You can say he is very tactical in his methods. So very calculated, very very thoughtful. And the other thing that I want to tell you is that I learned more of Spanish. So I started learning the numbers, and I'm gonna just tell you fast because it's already 8:39. And so the words are: 0 is known as cero, 1 is known as uno, 2 is known as dos, 3 is known as tres, 4 is known as cuatro, 5 is known as cinco, 6 is known as seis, 7 is known as siete, siete, siete it is, yeah, siete, and 8th is known as ocho, 9th is known as nueve, and 10th is known as diez. So these are the numbers that I learned, and with practice they will become better. My Spanish will become better. And so it's 9:24, and I would say that views will come, consistency will make views, but it's taking time, and you should just be consistent with me, because even though few people are subscribing and few have subscribed, I have 5 subscribers right now on day 4, and so I'm making this videos for you all. So thank you all.